Numbers. Most individuals don't think about numbers or numerical representations of quantity, but they play a major part in everyday life. To be sure, numbers determine the time individuals will wake up in the morning, how much money employees earn per hour, what day of the year it is, and much, much more. Additionally, numbers impact everyday living on a much smaller scale. In the grocery store, for instance, numbers determine products' prices, the amount of a product available for purchase, how much money will need to be paid for products, and a whole lot else. To understand larger and more intimidating numbers, interested persons first need to understand basic numbers or numbers from 1 to 10, as they comprise each and every advanced number or a multi-digit number that indicates a larger amount or quantity. The basic numbers are as follows. 1. Example, he purchased 1 watermelon from the grocery store. 2. Example, she bought 2 types of bread from the store. 3. Example, he decided to get 3 bags of onions when he went shopping. 4. Example, in preparation for the party, Janice bought 4 cartons of ice cream at the store. 5. Example, Joe picked up 5 boxes of cereal from the breakfast aisle. 6. Example, a pound of beef costs a lot of money at my favorite grocery store. 7. Example, 7 of the 10 aisles at my local grocery store contain pasta. 8. Example, I bought 8 cookies for the price of 4 at the store. 9. Example, there were only 9 loaves of bread left at the grocery store. 10. Example, 10 pineapples sure is a lot, don't you think? After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 follow. These numbers are seen less in grocery stores, as most prices are $10 or less. It is, however, worth knowing these numbers, generally and, in terms of grocery shopping, for when the bill must be paid. After 20, numbers such as 25, 50, 75, and 100 follow. So long as one knows the core number, or the number situated in the tens or hundreds position that determines the general amount, understanding these more complicated numbers won't be difficult. For example, 33 is simply 30 plus 3, 67 is 60 plus 9. Did you understand the text? It's time to answer the questions.